Hello everybody, I just got to the gym today, took my pre-workout, I am ready to go. It is shoulder day and today I would like to share with you my shoulder routine. Now the sets and the reps are going to be posted in the video itself along with the rest time so that you know exactly how long I rest. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell so that you know when I post new content. I'll be posting anywhere between 1 to 2 videos weekly. I'm going to try for more, but I'm definitely going to do my best. So without further ado, here is my shoulder routine, and don't forget to no, I'm sorry, I apologize, but I forgot to let you guys know there's two very important things you could do at this moment in time, and that is subscribe and hit that bell down there so that you get notifications when I post new videos, so that you will update all the time. There will be more to come, and I would hate for you to miss out.